Welcome back, everybody. Here I am with another video. Come on in here. Kim is behind the camera today. Check it out. What are you looking at? This is the brand new Blackstone Pizza Oven Walmart edition. You heard me right, baby. People have been asking about it left and right. So brand new, coming up here at the end of this month, the end of May, beginning of June, at Walmart, a pizza oven. So the same exact size as the version that you can buy at blackstoneproducts.com, but a little bit of aesthetic difference, okay? A different bezel on the front. You can get to the same 1,000-degree stone temperatures on this. And Walmart's even gonna have their own line of Blackstone pizza accessories like this. I'm pretty pumped about this. A brand new perforated pizza peel, baby. So I am pumped up about that. And they're even gonna be carrying this Blackstone cast iron pan. Now you can use this on your griddle or in the pizza oven. A removable handle. Make deep dish, Detroit style or Chicago style pizzas in this thing. And of course, there's even a little wooden stand at the end. So a bunch of brand new, cool pizza accessories coming along with the new pizza oven at Walmart. Oh yeah, and it does come with the cover as well. So when it's not in use, put that on there, keep the elements out of your pizza oven. But enough talking, let's make a pizza. I made some dough last night, and typically I make my dough way too small. This time, I might have made it a little too large. This is a 50-50 mixture of semolina and type 00 flour. Let's get in there and pull out some dough. I've used our stone countertop inside. We're gonna go outside on a cutting board today because the temperature finally got up to 50 degrees. If you watch Pizza Party on Blackstone's YouTube channel and social media, I've got a lot of episodes there, but you have to understand those videos were filmed way back in February when it was ice cold. So some of my dough outside did not look very good, and I've definitely got better with making dough. I'm not a pizziolo or whatever the official term is for a professional pizza maker. Through trial and error, the one thing I've learned is doing the cold fermentation process of letting your dough rise is definitely better. So this is still the DeLallo pizza dough. You've seen me use this before, and I have videos where I show you how I make it, but I found out that if you ignore the instructions and you put it in your proofing box in the refrigerator for 24 hours, you get way, way better dough. So as all of us Blackstone chefs get better at making dough, you're gonna see us show you more and more of our favorite pizza dough recipes. But just in case you're wondering, this is the type 00 flour in one of the DeLallo pizza kits. Enter the brand new Blackstone perforated pizza peel. I'll put a little bit of that flour on there, and let's try to slide it on and see how I do. Whoa, ooh, that's nice, nice. I found this pizza sauce last year on Long Island. This is made in New Jersey. I have been making a lot of Neapolitan style pizzas, but this is a sauce that's probably more like a New York, a New Haven, or a New York style pizza sauce. I love it. Bought it on Amazon, Don Pepino. We're gonna go really simple today. Some shredded mozzarella. And by the way, I am recovering from my heart attack. You've heard me mention that in previous videos. I was impressed that the Don Pepino only has 125 milligrams of sodium per serving. So you factor in, right, you're gonna eat what you're gonna eat. I'm just gonna have one slice. So pretty much no sodium, and I'll be real careful with my toppings. I wanna make this one look nice and pretty, so I've got some uncured boar's head pepperoni here. I think we'll put down a little bit of pepperoni. I had some jalapenos in the house, maybe a nice color contrast to put just a couple of jalapenos on there. We can go with onion if we want, a little bit of onion. And then I always like to put a little extra cheese on top just to kind of like seal the deal, right? It helps to keep the toppings down. And I ordered a 15-pack of the Mrs. Dash, the Dash, and this is the Italian medley. So it's everything you like, right? Oregano, basil, thyme, but you don't have to worry about salt. So if you're watching the sodium like I am right now, have at it. Let's do a temperature reading here, about 750 degrees. I usually like to have my temperature somewhere between 680 up to 730, 740, so 750. I've got the type 00 flour. Let's see what happens. Here we go. First launch with the new Walmart pizza peel. That's nice. If you're new to Blackstone Pizza Ovens, we have a rotating stone on the bottom and a stone on top, so two stone technology. right, there we go. Take a look at that. It's looking really good. I'm just gonna grab a piece here at random. Oh yeah. I'm learning in the realm of pizza making, people call that a leopard crust. Let's give it a try. Even though they said my heart attack was primarily genetics, I want to be careful as well, but pizza, So a perfect pizza made in my brand new Blackstone Pizza Oven, the Walmart edition. Folks, if you want this, it's gonna be at Walmart sometime the end of May, beginning of June. And rumor has it the price, $597. Oh my goodness. And look for more information on Blackstone's social media right now. I know they're gonna be running a campaign all this week, showing this off with all types of different videos. And I even think Blackstone Betty's gonna do a big live stream this weekend showing this thing off. So thanks for joining me here on my channel. Don't forget to watch Let's Give It a Try and Pizza Party over at Blackstone social media. And until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass this